So today I'm here at a customer site in Colfax, North Carolina. I'll be doing a walkthrough for a security camera system installation out on the front of the building. Look at putting a camera up there, which is going to give us a good view of the parking area, the tanks in front of the loading dock. Also put a camera down here. That'll give us a view of the customer entrance, roll-up doors, customer loading dock. Put two cameras over here. One will be mounted over there looking at the secured cage plus the yard, and the other one will mount up here, and it's going to give us a view of the customer parking area, employee parking, and also the main entrance over there. I'm on the side of the building now. This is where we're looking at putting a camera, most likely up there. That's going to give you good coverage of the parking area, tanks, and the gate. So looking at putting a camera over here covering the restricted cage. This is where they need security on this cage, covering this. Get that view from over there on the building. That'll give them a good coverage of the cage, and then they'll also get some coverage of these tanks looking back this way from that building there. Now I'm at the gate where the trucks enter to load, and I'm looking back towards the location where we were talking about putting a camera up there on the building. Looking back this way, this would roughly be what the camera would see from that direction. Here at the back dock, we'll probably have 3 to 4 cameras back in this area. This will give us coverage of the loading dock and the area in the back where the trucks pull up and store tanks. I want to have a camera up there giving us a view of the loading dock. We'll also have a couple cameras out on the face there, giving us an overview of the yard back there. Right now I'm on the side of this building here, looking at this coverage. This is an optional camera. We could put one right up there, looking that way, giving us coverage of that area. Now I'm in the production facility. This is where we'll have 1 to 2 cameras giving us a good overview in here. Most likely put it above this door right here, up there. And it's going to give us a good overview of the entire production facility. Will be probably 18-foot mounting height. That'll give us a view of the 2 roll-up doors and the production facility itself. And just on the other side of the production facility, we got a storage area. Probably put 1 camera in here. That's going to give us a good overview of this. Most likely put it up there. That's going to give us a good overview of this entire space here. I'm in the parts warehouse now. I'm going to have 1 camera in here above this roll-up door. That'll give us good coverage of anybody coming in this way, covering the door into the retail space. We'll most likely have it mounted up there, and it's going to give you a good overview of this entire space here and the door into the retail space. We would need a 25-foot scissor lift over here, cabling pathways. We would use the rafters to cable back into that area, which is where the switches and network equipment will be located. And we'll also be able to use the scissor lift for access to here, and then also for the cameras in the back. I'm here in the label storage office. This is most likely where we're going to put the NVR network switch. All the data cabling for each camera will come back here. Here in the plant manager's office, this is where we'll put a 42-inch screen. This will be where the camera system is controlled from, viewed from, playback, things. Most likely mount it right there where that whiteboard is, 42-inch. Have the controls here. I completed the walkthrough at the customer site in Colfax. I'm just now back putting everything together, putting together a drawing to show the potential camera locations, the locations of the network switch, the NVR, the monitors. Looks like there's going to be a total of 12 to 16 cameras. That should give them all the coverage they need at this site.